Hello my people, how una dey today? Welcome to today's episode on Street MBA with Kapick. Our topic for today na consis ten cy dey win, not motivation. My people, many people dey wait for motivation to show up before they take action. But real business growth no dey wait for vibes. You need discipline, not daily inspiration. You wake up today, no mood to post, no ginger to sell. You talk say, make I wait till I feel motivated. Omo, if na motivation you dey wait for, your shop go fold before December. Motivation na sweet thing, e dey come with energy. You watch YouTube video, lis ten to soft music or scroll quotes for IG, boom, you feel like CEO. But guess what? By 3 p.m, hunger don land, motivation don disappear like NEPA light. Real life example, my guy Bayo start podcast, drop first episode, bam, drop second one, dem no clap loud, e vanish like crypto gain. Why? No motivation again. The real champion for street business na daily routine, system, discipline and repetition. You brush teeth every day even when you no feel like, abi? That's how you treat your hustle, no be mood, na movement. How to stay consis ten t? Here is how to stay solid o. Number one, create small goals, e.g. one post daily. Number two, batch con ten t, do 5 graphics or voice overs at once. Number three, use reminder, alarm, calendar or sticky notes, etc. Number four, reward yourself. After 5 straight days, give yourself recharge card, you sef don try. And number five, forget perfection, just drop am. For example, aunty Ada dey sell skincare. She post every Monday and Thursday, rain or shine. Now she don get steady clients. Why? People trust what they see of ten. You think say people go remember your hustle from one post per month ba? No way o. Consis ten cy na free billboard. When you show up every time, people start to associate your name with your niche. Even if dem no buy now, when dem ready, you be first person dem go think of. Our brand is equal to repetition o. Motivation na pepper, you need am small, but na rice dey full your belle o, and rice be consis ten cy. Discipline dey build empire. Dis na Street MBA with Kapick. We no dey wait for vibes here o, we dey show up steady. Class don close for today. Apply the lesson learnt. Wahasere.